हाय गाइस, आपका स्वागत है चाय विद फुटबॉल में। आज हम जो बात करने वाले हैं वो है क्वार्टर फाइनल्स ऑफ क्लब वर्ल्ड कप और थोड़े और न्यूज़ के बारे में जो फुटबॉल में हो रहे हैं। सो लेट्स जस्ट टॉक अबाउट द फर्स्ट गेम जो हुआ था, फ्लूमिनेसे वर्सेस योर अल हिलाल। दोनों टीम्स ने बिग यूरोपियन टीम्स को डिफीट करके दे रीच दिस पॉइंट एंड दे वर प्लेइंग विथ हंगर। आई थिंक ये जो यूरोप आउटसाइड यूरोप की जो टीम्स है, दे आर प्लेइंग रियली वेल। दे वांट टू प्रूव अ पॉइंट दैट their football association is also on par of Europe, if not better. And Brazilian teams have proved that. Al Hilal has proved that, right? They are playing some really nice and engaging football. It was an amazing match, right? But both of the teams fought really well, but at the end it was Fluminense who won 2-1 over your Al Hilal, right? I personally thought Al Hilal would win it, but Thiago Silva. Oh, Thiago Silva! What a game, man, from Thiago Silva. He is still the captain. He has still the strength and he has still the motivation to win. Amazing player. What a legend, monster, truly. Second game, it was between your Chelsea versus Palmeiras. 2-1 for Chelsea. Let's go. Na 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 na. We're into the semis. Let's go, guys. Like, I'm so happy. It was so perfect, right? Like, your Cole Palmer scored, Estevao scored, and Malo Gusto played really well. Joao Pedro played really well. It was an amazing game overall. I just want to say Cole Palmer is just so amazing, right? The intelligence he has, I think he is so, like, if Busquets was a central attacking midfielder or a right winger, I think that would be Cole Palmer. What a performance by him, right? Amazing touch and amazing finish. What an amazing finish, right? Then Estevao, like, what, क्या एंगल क्या था भाई वो, मतलब लिटरली मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि जाएगा ही नहीं, बट इट वॉज इम्पॉसिबल। क्रॉस बार को लग के इट वेंट इन। अमेजिंग फिनिश एंड ही राइटफुली सेलिब्रेटेड एज वेल। बहुत सारे लोग बोलेंगे क्यों सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है तू, चेल्सी को ही तो ज्वाइन करने वाला है। बट यार, फुटबॉल इन द मोमेंट है। इतना इनक्रेडिबल गोल स्कोर किया, लेट हिम सेलिब्रेट। आई थिंक you just have to enjoy the pure, अगर आप फुटबॉल फैन हो तो you will enjoy that. I was scared for a minute, right, कि Palmeiras might make a comeback like Flamengo did last time, but thankfully we won. We held our nerve. Moises Caicedo भी नहीं था honestly, and I was pretty scared, but we managed quite a bit. Then moving on to the other side of the block, you had PSG versus Bayern 2-0. बहुत लोग बोलेंगे हाँ डेजिरे डुए स्कोर्ड, उस्मान डेम्बेले स्कोर्ड, व्हाट्स न्यू, like very expected. But if you watch the game, it was very cagey, right? Jamal Musiala got injured unfortunately, and I think it's a like a long term injury, 2 months I think. But yeah, it's very sad to see when someone so talented gets injured. And I think from there on, momentum shifted towards PSG. Desiree Doué scored the first goal, and then finally in the last 4 minutes में, जब भी एंटनी टेलर रेफरिंग करता है ऐसे मोमेंट्स क्यों होते हैं? और why does FIFA like take these all these referees, man? Take someone who is non-controversial, जिसके बाद कुछ भी नहीं होता, but two red cards, Lucas Hernandez, William Pacho, both of their center backs, not starting center backs, but center backs got sent off during that game. Still, Bayern did not manage to score. I mean, Harry Kane क्या कर रहा है? 2 offside goals, Harry Kane and one more, Jonathan Tah, I believe. And it was just a victory for PSG. Then comes your Real Madrid versus Dortmund. I think very expected game. Real Madrid won, but it was pretty close, to be honest. At the end, Real Madrid were winning 2-0 at the halftime. Everybody thought them कि गेम तो ओवर हो चुका है, अभी कुछ नहीं होगा. बट डॉटमेंट राइटफुली स्कोर्ड इन लास्ट डाइंग मिनट्स, बट इट वॉजेंट इनफ. सबिट्जर ने ट्राई किया था लास्ट सेकेंड्स में, ही टुक अ शॉट एंड कूर्तवा का वर्ल्ड क्लास सेव. अमेजिंग. सो ऑनेस्टली ओवरऑल काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वार्टर फाइनल्स रहे हैं. अभी सेमीफाइनल होगा बिटवीन चेल्सी एंड फ्लूमिने से. बहुत मतलब दोनों टीम्स काफ़ी बहुत बढ़िया है, राइट? थियागो सिल्वा, and they have got good set of players Fluminense. Chelsea fans I know easy लग रहा है, या फिर बाकी के भी फैंस देखेंगे अरे चेल्सी तो easily जाएगी. It is not easy by any stretch of imagination. I think Chelsea will win 1-0 or 2-1 according to me अगर we play, because एक positive atmosphere set हो गया है टीम में, right? Then moving on, we have PSG versus Real Madrid. I think that would be the game of the tournament till now. काफ़ी केजी होने वाला है. Both teams are very confident, very talented, and they want to win the Club World Cup. So let's see what happens there, right? Moving on to some other news. First of all, I want to take some time and talk about a major loss to the footballing community. Diego Jota just passed away in a car accident. So it was pretty sad. Every club, I was thinking about making a separate video on this, but I was like, I just don't want to do that, because I don't want to make video on someone and just get views on it. I just want to talk about, so I'm just keeping this little segment. Condolences to his family members, his friends, of course, Pedro, Neto, Ruben Neves, and all the Cristiano Ronaldo, everybody was devastated. So it is just very, very bad, because someone like him, when he when passes away, it's a great loss to the footballing talent in the world, right? But it's life. You have to just now move on. I don't know how people will gonna move on from this loss, but yeah, condolences to everyone who is mourning for him. Moving on, I want to talk about Noni Madueke to Arsenal, actually. Okay, that's pretty funny, to be honest, right? I mean, what is Arsenal even doing? अभी Fabrizio Romano का tweet आया है कि they have agreed personal terms, 5-year deal है. It is pretty funny, actually. Let's see. They are going to send an opening bid soon, so let's see वहाँ पे क्या होता है, right? I think it will get agreed in 1 or 2 days, and Noni Madueke will head to Arsenal Football Club. They signed Kepa, they signed Noni Madueke. I don't know what is Arsenal doing. They have better options, but they just like Chelsea players, I guess. So yeah, so that is it for today, right? चाय विद फुटबॉल में आपका ट्यून इन करने के लिए स्वागत है. यार मेरे बाल खराब हो गए, बट इट्स ओके. चाय विद फुटबॉल में आपका देखने के लिए काफ़ी thank you, to be honest. It was really amazing. So let's catch you in the next video. So मैं mostly semi-finals भी cover करूँगा. So if you want to watch this, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, and comment आपके क्या thoughts थे, opinions थे ये news के बारे में. Thank you so much.